Welcome back to DC Auto Enhancement. Today I want to go ahead and show you a new project that I have. It's a 1999 Honda Civic, and I want to do something a little bit different with this video. I want to show you how you can still make money in 2021 flipping cars. So I was able to pick up this 99 Honda Civic fairly cheap, and I'm going to go ahead and introduce to you in this video the car, some of its flaws, and as I move on from here, each video I will show you how much I paid for the car, how much I've already invested in the car. At the very end, I'll show you what I sold the car for, and you can see what the profit is. So we're going to go ahead and do a walk around on the car, just kind of see the condition of the car. I will address each issue that we're going to take care of in videos on this car, so you know what to look forward to. So now that we've done a walk around, you can see the outside. There's really not a whole lot I can do about that. So we will move on to some things that weren't in the video. The upper ball joint on the driver's side is bad. There's also an inner tie rod on the passenger side that is bad. So we'll be making a video on each of those individually. The radio is locked out due to code that I don't have. So I'll be making a video on changing the radio out. And there's also a valve cover leak, so I'll be changing the valve cover gasket, and I'll show you how to do that. That being said, you know what to expect on the videos coming out. If that looks like something you want to follow along with, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we are going to go ahead and get started.